Do you know that phrasal verbs like get out, come on, and others have multiple meanings? In this lesson, we'll break down these common phrasal verbs. So stay till the end for a quiz to test your understanding. And don't forget to download the PDF for this lesson from the description and pinned comment below. Get out. 1. To leave or go out of a place. Get out of my house now. 2. If news or information gets out, it becomes known. If the secret gets out, it will be a big problem. Another example. The news got out and everyone knows. Fill in. To fill something completely. Fill it in. 2. Write the necessary information on a document. Just fill in your name and address. Another example. I need you to fill in the application before the deadline. 3. Use your time doing something unimportant while waiting for something. I'm filling in time until 6. She filled in the afternoon watching TV. Sit up. To sit with your back straight. Sit up straight, don't slouch. 2. If you sit up, you do not go to bed, although it is very late. We sat up late talking and watching movies. I often sit up until midnight. Come on. 1. You say come on to someone to encourage them to hurry up. Come on, we need to leave now. 2. If somebody or something is coming on well, they are developing well or making good progress. Your Spanish is coming on very well. 3. If you have an illness or a headache coming on, you can feel it starting. I think I have a headache coming on. Pick up. To lift something from the ground. Pick it up. 2. Learn something without making big effort. I picked up Spanish by listening to my friends. 3. Go and get something or collect something. Can you pick up something on your way home? Get off. To tell someone stop touching you or another person. Get off me. 2. Leave the place where you work at the end of the day. Example. I get off at 5 p.m., so I'll be free. 3. Leave on a journey. They got off early to start their road trip. Get in. 1. Enter a vehicle or a place. Get in the car. We're leaving now. 2. Be accepted to study at a school or university. She got into the school she loves. 3. Arrive at a place. What time does your flight get in? Go away. Leave a place. Go away, please. 2. Stop existing, disappear. The cold sore will go away soon. Another example. The rash should go away after a few days. 3. Leave home especially for a holiday. Example. We are going away to the beach for the weekend. Another example. I'm going away for a few days. Put down. 1. Put something on a surface. Please put it down. 2. Write something down. I put down the notes quickly during the lecture. Please put down your name and contact information on the registration form. 3. Kill an animal because it is old and sick. They decided to put down the dog because it was sick. Hold on. To keep holding somebody. Hold on tight while I start the bike. 2. Wait. Can you hold on for a moment while I grab my phone? 3. Continue doing something even though it is very difficult to do so. She decided to hold on and keep working despite the challenges. 1. I can't believe the party was ruined. Yes, the secret. 2. We're gonna be late for school. Okay, I'm coming. Come on. 3. How's your new project going? It's really? I'm pleased with the progress. Coming on. 4. Of the classroom quietly. Yes, ma'am. Get out. And wash your hand before dinner. Sure. What's your guess? Get in. 6. Time to. Great. See you tomorrow. Get off. 7. I feel a migraine. I need to rest. Take it easy, doctor. Coming on. 8. I wish this headache would. It's been bothering me all day. Hopefully it will disappear soon. Go away. 9. I don't know the answer to this question. Just in the blank with what you think is correct. Fill in the blank. 10. I need you to your toys before dinner. Okay, I'll put them away now. Pick up.